and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the headlines. Government comes down on knees after intense public pressure, allows Anna to continue his fast at Ramlila Maidan. Phase 2 of the anti-corruption campaign begins. Young Brigade comes down on streets to support Anna. College students across Goa pledge to fight corruption. Each on says, I am Anna. Relics of Don Bosco arrives in Goa. Relics open for public veneration for 5 days. Veneration at Panji, Vasco and Fatorda. Two more cases of fake notes registered with the economic offence cell of the CID. Notes of 1,000 and 500 rupees found in Ponda and Madgaon SBI. And Indian cricket team's video analyst must work on specific drills to help Suresh Raina in tackling short balls, says South Africa's Prasanna Raman. And now the news in detail. After spending 3 long nights in the Tihar jail, Anna will head to Ramlila Maidan on Friday with no restrictions on the number of supporters. Anna will continue his fast at Ramlila Maidan till 2nd September. Team Anna has already called this a victory in phase 1 of the agitation.
हमारे देश का युवक अगर जग जाए तो कल का भविष्य दूर नहीं है समाज का और देश का। वो मेरा सपना पूरा होने जा रहा है ऐसा मुझे लग रहा है। तो आज इतना युवक जो रोड पर आ गया और मुझे अभी ऐसे लग रहा है कि 15 दिन की मुद्दत है ना, तो ये 15 दिन तो मुझे कुछ नहीं होगा और 1 सप्ताह की मुद्दत मैं मांगूंगा सरकार से। जब तक लोकपाल बिल नहीं आएगा तब तक अभी मुझे कोई थकावट नहीं है।
Anna Hazare's move has finally compelled the UPA government to accept Anna's maximum demands. Government had earlier allowed Anna to hold fast for 3 days with a restriction on number of supporters at the venue. But magnanimous public support to Anna has pushed the government on the back foot. Government has allowed Anna to hold fast for 15 days at Ramlila Maidan and there is no restriction on the number of supporters.
पुलिस कमिश्नर साहब ने ये आश्वासन दिया कि अगर हमें 15 दिन के बाद भी जरूरत होगी तो वो 15 दिन के बाद भी उसको एक्सटेंड करेंगे। और अन्ना जी का स्वास्थ्य बिल्कुल ठीक है। जैसे ही हमें रामलीला मैदान मिलता है वैसे ही हम वहाँ पे अपना स्टेज और टेंट लगाने की तैयारी करेंगे और एक बारी जब रामलीला मैदान तैयार हो जाएगा तभी अन्ना जी यहाँ से बाहर निकलेंगे और यहाँ से बाहर निकलकर वो सीधे रामलीला मैदान में पहुँचेंगे।
Anna will move to Ramlila ground once the ground is ready. Here are some of the conditions that Team Anna will have to adhere to. Fast till 2nd September, no violence should take place at the venue. Speeches should not create tension in society. No weapons should be allowed at the venue. No damage should be done to public property. Regular medical checkup of supporters on fast and no assembly outside the Ramlila Maidan. Sources say the attempts are on to table Jal Lokpal bill as a private member's bill in this monsoon session of the parliament. But will Team Anna agree to it? Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Young Brigade in Goa came down on streets and proudly propagated one important theme, I am Anna. Thousands of college students protested across Goa against deep-rooted corruption in our system. They extended their support to Anna Hazare and warned corrupt people of dire consequences.
Students under the banner of Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad boycotted the classes and held a rally in the capital city. Students from Dempo and Dempe College, Mustafan Higher Secondary School and Vidya Prabodhini from Porvoori participated in the rally.
We have gathered here to show the world that yes, students can change the nation. Once it was proved in the China earlier when the Tiananmen massacre happened. Hopefully no such massacre will happen here, and our government is also very cooperative.
Rallies were also organized by India Against Corruption in some parts of state. However, in most parts of the state, students hit the streets voluntarily with a simple message: fight against corruption. More than 2,000 students of DM's College and Saraswat College marched the street in Mapsa with one slogan: अन्ना नहीं आंधी है, देश का दूसरा गांधी है.
आम्ही जाणा जनलोकपाल म्हणजे कितें तें आनी म्हणूनच आमी हांगा आयला एकत्र जावन फक्त हे दाखोवपाक की आमी आमची युवा कितली ते अण्णा हजारेक सपोर्ट करता ती लोकपाल बील मान्य जायना तो मेरेन हे आमी अशेंच करीत रावतली अण्णा हजारेक सपोर्ट करतली जर 70 वर्साचो एकटो जाणटो आमच्या भुरग्यां खातीर लढटा जाल्यार भुरगीं कित्याक लढूंक पावना
Late night on Wednesday, India Against Corruption and Youth for Goa along with other activists held a mashal rally in Mapsa. Students of Chaugule College, RMS College, Kare College of Law and Damodar College protested to support Anna. They also organized a candlelight rally in the evening.
Politicians who are corrupt, this bill is against them. They don't want it to come up, but we support this bill. Anna Hazare, tum aage badho.
In Ponda, all colleges and higher secondary school except Saraswati Higher Secondary School participated in the rally. Around 2,000 to 3,000 students made their presence felt.
We have come here together to fight against corruption, and we are sure that today we're gonna just throw away that corruption out. And they were saying that अंदर की बात है पुलिस हमारे साथ है. I think it is very much true, and we want to make it true. So let us get together, unite together, and throw away this corruption.
In Kankan, more than 2,000 students shouted support Anna slogans. The rally travelled from Kadamba bus stand to Mamlatdar office in Kankan. Zati College at Bicholi, Sakri College and Polytechnic College too held a rally. In Pedne, students from Harmal Panchakroshi Higher Secondary School, Korgaon Kamaleshwar Higher Secondary and Pedne Government College made the rally a success. More than 3,000 students participated in the rally.
आज अण्णा हजारे 74 वर्षाचो जावन उपोषण करता आम्ही कितें करिना अण्णा हजारे 1000 फावटी रस्त्यार येयलो तरी आम्ही 1000 फावटी येतले आणि ताका सपोर्ट करतले हो आमचो दावो आसा.
MES College in Vasco and other colleges are expected to hold rallies on Friday. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
The sacred relics of Don Bosco arrived in Goa as a part of its worldwide pilgrimage. The relics will be open for public veneration for the next 5 days. Don Bosco is known for initiating a vast worldwide movement dedicated to the young people, especially in the education sector. A grand welcome was accorded to the sacred relic of Don Bosco. The relic is on a worldwide pilgrimage which began in Valdocco, Italy on 25th April 2009. Saint John Bosco is popularly known as Don Bosco, the saint of the youth. The relic has now arrived in Goa as a part of the Konkan province visit. The convoy carrying the relic started from Oros in Maharashtra and made its way to Goa, making brief stops at Pedne, Bastara, Mapsa and Panji bus stand. Students lined up the route to the Don Bosco institution in Panji, cheering the motorcade as it made its way. The relic consists of the saint's right hand carefully preserved inside a special case. This is placed inside a lifelike wax replica of the saint resting in a special urn for veneration. This urn is specially transported in a light truck custom built to transport the relic. The truck carrying the sacred relic is driven by the Italian chauffeurs who have vowed never to leave the wheel and remain near the relic on the entire worldwide journey. The relics will be open for veneration to the general public from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. on 19th and 20th August at Don Bosco Panji, on 21st at Vasco and 22nd and 23rd at Fatorda.
Don Bosco's relic has been scheduled to visit 5 continents, starting in South America and following the route of the Silesian regions around the world. From Goa, the relic will next travel to Sirsi in Karnataka. Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Shan for Prudent Media.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.